Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about reversing the elements of the array using recursion in C programming and data structures courses. First of all, we have to write the logic. The logic is explained through example. After that, we can go for the implementation in the system. Okay. First, I am writing the logic. We have to write the recursive function void reverse int array int low int high. Next, here low value and high value is compared. Low less than or equal to high. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the if block. Here int temp. Now temp is equal to A of low. Next one, A of low is equal to A of high. Next one, A of high is equal to temp. So this logic is mainly used for swapping the low value and high value if this condition is true. Next, here we are calling the recursive function reverse A comma low plus 1 value comma high minus 1 value. So once we are swapping the low value and high value, we are incrementing the low value and decrementing the high value. So this is the recursive function for reversing the elements of the array using recursion. Why it can be called as a recursive function? Here the function name is reverse. The same function name can be called within the body of this function reverse, then it can be called as a recursive function. The process of calling the same function within the body of the function, then it can be called as a recursion. Here in the main function, we can take the integer array int a of 5 is equal to, the elements are 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. Here we are taking the integer array. Array name is A. Size of the array is 5. The 5 elements are 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. The calling function is reverse. Array name A. Low value is 0 and high value is n minus 1. Okay. Now, this is the calling function. The array name is A. So 0 means low value always points to the index 0. N minus 1 is nothing but high value always points to the size of the array minus 1. Size of the array is 5. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Whenever this function is calling in the main program, the program control can be transferred from calling function to called function. Here low value is 0, that is copied. 0 is copied into the low value, and n minus 1 is copied into the high value. N minus 1 is nothing but 4. Okay. Now here void reverse int a int low comma int high. So this is the function name. void, this function does not return anything, so that we have to write void before the function name. Next one, here I am taking three variables. This is the temp variable, and this is a low value, that is 0, and this is a high value, that is 4. Okay, first one, if low less than or equal to high. What is low value? Index 0. What is high value index? That is 4. So 0 less than or equal to 4. Condition true. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the if block. A of low value is 0. A of 0 element is 5. 5 can be assigned to the temp value. So temp contains the A of 0 value, that is 5. Next one, A of high value is 4. A of 4 value is 3. 3 can be assigned to the A of low. That means A of 0. Low value is 0 means A of 0. A of 0 contains the A of high value, that is 3. Next one, temp value can be assigned to the A of high. So what is the temp value? 5. 5 can be assigned to the A of high value. So therefore 5 can be assigned to the A of high. That means A of 4. Now the first step is we are swapping the low value and high value. Okay. This is the logic for swapping the low value and high value. After swapping the low value and high value, we are getting 3 can be placed here, 5 can be placed here. So we are getting 3, 4, 2, 1, 5. Swapping the low value and high value. So then we are getting this one. After that, so again we are calling the same reverse function. A low plus 1, high minus 1. So initially low value is 0. Now low plus 1 means here low value is incremented, and initially high value points to the index 4. Now high value is decremented. Here high value is this one. Okay. Indexes are same. This one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That are the indexes. Okay. After that, again we are calling the same reverse function. Now low value is 1 here. High value is 3 here. High value is 3. Now, if low less than or equal to high, what is low index value? 1. What is high index value? That is 3. So 1 less than or equal to 3. 1 less than or equal to 3, condition true. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the if block. So A of low, here what is low index value? 1. A of 1. A of 1 value is 4. 4 can be assigned to the temp. Next one. A of high can be assigned to A of low. What is the high index value? That is 3. So that is A of 3. A of 3 value is 1. 1 can be assigned to the A of low. So A of low value is A of low means A of 1. Okay. So 1 can be assigned to the A of low. Now low value becomes 1. Next one. Temp value can be assigned to the A of high. Okay. What is the temp value? 4. 4 can be assigned to the A of high. High value is 3. So A of 3 contains the 4. A of 3 contains the 4. That means high value is 4. So after completing this step, here low value and high value are swapped. So then we are getting, so 1 can be placed here, 4 can be placed here, remaining elements is same. Okay. After completing this step, so reverse A, low plus 1, low value is incremented, so low value becomes here. Next one, high value is decremented. High value here, high value is decremented here. So low value and high value points to the same index, that is true. Okay. Now, so after completing this step, again we are calling the same reverse function. Reverse int a int low. What is low index value? That is 2. What is high index value? That is 2. Okay. Now the control goes to the body of this function. If low less than or equal to high. What is low index value now? 2. What is high index value? So that is 2. 2 less than or equal to 2. Condition true. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the if block. Now, here a of low value is 2. A of 2 can be assigned to temp. A of 2 value is 2. 2 can be assigned to the temp value. Next, A of high value is also 2. A of 2 can be assigned to the A of low. So A of 2 value is 2, that can be assigned to the low value, that is low value is also A of 2. So now A of 2 contains the value 2. Next, temp can be assigned to the A of high. High value is 2, A of 2. Temp value can be assigned to the A of 2. Temp value is 2, that can be assigned to the high value, that is A of 2. So here after swapping, so 2 can be placed here only. Okay. Next one. After completing this step, the same we are getting 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. After that, reverse A low plus 1. Here low value here. So low value can be incremented here. High value can be decremented. Previously high value here. Now high value is decremented to this one. Okay. Now after completing, again the same function can be called here. So what is new low value? So low value is index is 3. High value index is 1. Okay. Now the control goes to the body of the function. If low value is 3 and high value is 4. 3 less than low value is 4. Low value is 4. High value is 1. So 4 less than or equal to 1. So condition false. If this condition is false, the control goes to the next statement after the if block. There are no statements are there. So that we have to stop the execution of the recursive function, that is a reverse. Okay. Finally, we are getting the values as 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. So I am taking the values initially. The array contains 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. Now after reversing, what are the values we are getting? 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. So our logic is successfully correct. So that we are containing the reverse of the elements of the array. Okay, after reversing, we are getting 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. So this is the logic and this is the example. Now we can go for the implementation of the program in the system.
In the previous session, we have already explained the logic of reversing the elements of the array using a recursion. Now we can go for the implementation in the system. First, these two are the header files. Next one, this is the function prototype void reverse int array comma int comma int. Next, This is the main function. Every C program execution starts with main function. Main function does not return anything, so that we have to write void before the main function. In the main function, we have to declare the array, integer array with array size of 50. Next, we have to declare the variables I, j and n. This is the clear screen function. Clear screen function is available in conio.h header file, that is console input output header file, so that we have to include that header file to our program. Next, printf enter the required array size. Here the available array size is 50. From that available array size, whatever the array size we want to use, that array size can be declared in the variable n. So that value is stored in variable n. That value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So variable n contains the required array size. Next, printf enter the array elements. The array elements are read from the keyboard by using for loop and scanf function. Once we are reading the elements from the keyboard, then whatever the elements that are read from the keyboard, that elements are printed by using for loop and printf function. After that, we have to write the recursive function reverse a comma 0 comma n minus 1. This is the calling function, because this function is calling in the main program. Function name is reverse. A is the array name. 0 means index 0. N minus 1 means so array size minus 1. Okay. A comma low comma high. Low value is equal to 0. High value is equal to n minus 1. Whenever this function is calling in the main program, the control transfer from calling function to called function. The called function can be written after the main function. Okay, here this is the called function. So function name is reverse. Here this is array name is a, and this is a low value, and this is a high value. Okay, so 0 is copied into low value, n minus 1 is copied into high value. Okay, so if low less than or equal to high, so whatever the statement within the if block are executed, that means swapping the low value and high value using the temporary variable, if the condition low less than or equal to high is true. After that, again we are calling the same function reverse a comma low plus 1 comma high minus 1. Once we are swapping the values at low value and high value, after that low value is incremented and high value is decremented. So by using the recursive function reverse. Okay. So here the function name, called function name is reverse. Within the body of the called function, again same function can be called. That means this is called as a recursive function. So after calling the recursive function, the same steps can be again and again are executed. When the condition is false, then the recursion will be stopped. After that, control again goes to the next statement after the if block. There are no statements are there after the if block. So then the execution of the called function is completed. Again the control transfer from called function to calling function. After calling function, printf after reversing the elements in the array are printed by using for loop and printf function. So this is the simple program for reversing the elements of the array using recursion. This is the important point. So now we have to save this program. Now we have to compile this program. After that we have to run this program. The required array size is 5 I am giving. Enter the array elements. I am giving 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. First the array elements as it is printed. After that the array elements can be printed in reverse order. So see this one. The entered array elements are 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. After reversing, the elements in the array are 3, 1, 2, 4 and 5. Okay. So this is the simple program for reversing the elements of the array using a recursion. Once again we are compiling the program. For compiling I am using Alt C. That means Alt plus F9. We are getting 0 errors and 0 warnings. Enter. Now we have to run this program by using Ctrl plus F9. Enter the required array size. Now I am giving the array size is 7. Enter the array elements. I am giving 5, 2, 4, 3, 12, 9, 8. 7 elements. First the elements in the array are printed. After that the elements in the array can be printed in reverse order. Okay. After reversing, the elements in the array are 8, 9, 12, 3, 4, 2, 5. Okay. So this is the program for printing the elements in the array in reverse order by using a recursion. I hope all of you understanding this video. If you have any doubts in this video, please put your doubts in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts. If you really like this video, click on the like button and share this video to your friends and classmates. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Divvela Srinivasa. After subscribing my YouTube channel, so click on the bell icon to get the future updates in my YouTube channel. So thank you one and all for watching this video.